Hey, what's going on? This is Ari here with another video. Today I want to talk about the topic on why you should never be cheap on your journey to greatness. Now, when it comes to building a successful business on the internet, obviously there are a lot of things that you will need to invest in. First and foremost, you're going to need to invest in a good quality mentorship program so that you can get a step-by-step blueprint on how to actually set it up properly. Without this, you'll pretty much just be spending a lot more time just doing a lot of guesswork, going through lots of trial and error, and you're going to feel confused for the most part. And then you'll also need things like, an autoresponder. You'll need things like, a sales funnel builder. And then you'll likely need to invest in, some paid advertising. Unless if you are deciding to just do completely free organic traffic, at some point down the road, I will recommend that you do consider investing into paid advertising. Now, a lot of people, when they first get started and they first decide to become an entrepreneur, they want to start building a business online. A lot of people are scared to invest money because they think that they're going to get scammed. They think that they're going to lose money. They think that they're going to not make it back. And the thing is that when it comes to building any sort of business online, that there is going to be lots of trial and error that you go through, especially in the beginning. You will end up losing a lot of money up front, and that's just really part of it. You got to be willing to sacrifice. You need to sacrifice that which you want more of. So if you want to start making more money, and you're looking to build a business that generates you an income that surpasses what you make in your 9-to-5 job, you will need to first and foremost be willing to invest that initial amount that you want to make, and then from there you learn as much as you can, and you are willing to just you keep going on a consistent basis, and eventually you will get there. Now, what a lot of people do is they'll look at particular programs or something, and something in particular, like let's say that it's got like multiple levels of like where you can come in, as in like there's certain upsells within the program. What a lot of people will do is they'll look at the front end price, and before they even invest in that, they'll ask 100 different questions like, oh, what's the total like amount that I'm going to need to invest before I start making money, or how much does it cost to have all these other things, like, or what's the cheapest autoresponder service that I can get, and the problem with that is that, like, while you may be saving money up front, what that typically means is that you're going to be spending a lot more time on your business. You're going to be doing a lot more legwork if you are just looking for free and cheap ways to build your business online, because at the end of the day, you get what you pay for. And that is especially the case with investing in tools. That's especially the case when you are looking at different mentorship programs to join, and there are lots of them out there. There's a lot of garbage out there. There's a lot of them that, a lot of like products on like ClickBank and stuff like that, where it's like, $7 and it's just like full of hype, like, oh, make $10,000 in the next, week or so, without doing any paid traffic, without investing in any tools whatsoever. All you have to do is just buy into this $7 program, and it's going to start generating you lots of money. Now, clearly, if you see something like that, you should definitely run the other direction, because, there's just absolutely no way, especially as a beginner, that you could invest $7 in something and then expect to just start making, 10K per month or whatever, you know what I mean? There's a lot of products like that on ClickBank and JVZoo that are, they're filled with hype. It has a low price up front, and it's designed to, really, get you to just buy in right away. And oftentimes when you do that, you might find that there are tons of upsells throughout the program that they didn't tell you about, just so that they can, try and get more money. Or, you'll just end up getting some useless information that, doesn't really work at all. And the thing is like I said, you will get what you pay for. So if you are looking for cheap ways to build your business online, you're looking for cheap and free mentorship, and you're looking to, do little loopholes to, build a sustainable business online, then it's always going to backfire on you. You're always going to find yourself, running on a hamster wheel. You're going to find yourself feeling confused often at times, and unless if you're willing to actually, you know, pay a huge investment up front, as long as you are willing to, make that initial investment and you're willing to invest in a good quality program, you find a mentor that is getting the results that you want and is teaching a legitimate way of actually building a business online, and you could, look at his blueprint, you could follow them, and you are willing to just invest in everything that you need to start getting the results. As long as you're willing to do that and you're willing to just go all in and not worry about, oh, well, what if I lose money here, or, what if this doesn't get me the results, or, as long as you just get that all out of your system and you're just willing to just go in with the knowing that, if you go all in and you decide to fully commit to it, that you will start getting the results. Because at the end of the day, it's never about whether, this particular training program or this particular system or business opportunity works or not. It's never about, whether this thing is legit or not. It's all about, whether you can actually run with it and fully commit to what it takes to just get the results. Every business opportunity you see out there, every single network marketing company, every single affiliate program, it's really just a vehicle when you think about it. It just sits there. You buy into it. It doesn't mean that you're going to just start making money like that. You buy into it and it works to the degree that you actually fully stick to it. You commit to actually promoting it the right way, the right legitimate way. And as long as you do that on a consistent basis and you don't try and, cut corners or, find little loopholes or, look for, free and cheap ways to, get through everything and just start getting into profit. As long as you're willing to just kind of go all in, do everything that it takes and more, then you will start getting the results that you are looking for. So that's really the message that I want to put out there, is that, if you are just constantly looking at all these different, shiny objects and you're just thinking, you're just looking for, free, fast, easy ways to just generate cash, then you're always going to be struggling. You're always going to feel confused, and, it's just going to, you're just going to be constantly, as I mentioned, on a hamster wheel. And you really don't want that. If you are looking to, build a business online, obviously you're looking to have more free time. You're looking to support the family better. You're looking to, make an impact. And unless if you fully commit that, you're just going to go all in with something, you're not going to try and, cut corners, and you decide to just fully push through and learn as much as you can, and, just fully commit to doing what it takes to succeed, then, that is when you will start to get the results. Now, they may not come right away. It may take some time to really learn the skills necessary, but as long as you are fully consistent, you just decide to just keep going at it, eventually the results will come if the belief is strong enough and you see that other people in your industry that are doing the same thing, if they are getting results, eventually you will start getting results as well. So it's really all about finding that formula that works for you. And yeah, that's really the point that I wanted to make in this video. I really hope you got value out of this. If you did, be sure to let me know what you thought in the comments down below. And yeah, if you'd like to learn how you could start, building a sustainable business online, I will have a link in this description to where you can, get access to my mentorship program that I joined. And yeah, you could go through that. You could see whether it's a fit for you or not. And then, you could decide then and there if or not you want to go all in with it. So I recommend that whatever it is you go for, you just go all in. Yeah, that's the main point I wanted to give in this video, and take care.